CX research is a powerful process that helps analyze and refine customer interactions across the entire customer journey. Today we discover how customer panels, immersion programs, and ethnographic research can help take your CX research to the next level. Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to UX Tweaks channel. Join us as we explore 4 essential CX research tips that will help you refine your CX research approach and create the best customer experiences. The Jobs to Be Done framework is a methodology that focuses on understanding customers' specific goals or jobs and the reason why they choose or hire a specific product to fulfill that job. Utilizing it in CX research shifts the focus from merely analyzing user interactions with surface-level features to understanding the underlying motivations for why customers use the product. To implement the Jobs to Be Done framework, start by conducting thorough user interviews with customers. Then, map these jobs within the customer journey, noting where your product meets or fails to meet customer needs to align it more closely with the identified jobs. Ethnographic research is a qualitative method where researchers immerse themselves in a community or group to observe behaviors and interactions in a natural setting. Focusing on ethnographic research offers a window into a real-world setting during customers' interactions with a product, which can be crucial for shaping their experiences and decisions. Consider a grocery shopping app. You can implement ethnographic research by observing how customers use the app as they plan their shopping, use it in the store, and incorporate it into their post-shopping routines, such as looking for recipes. This helps better understand customers' experiences with the app in the context of their daily routines and uncover hidden problems and frustrations that were not obvious during research in a controlled environment. Such consistent engagement helps build a relationship between the brand and research participants, often leading to more honest, in-depth feedback. By using a customer panel in your CX research, you can also better track changes in customer sentiment compared to running one-off interviews or surveys. Immersion programs are initiatives where researchers, designers, and developers actively use their own products as if they were genuine customers. Such programs help uncover hidden issues CX researchers might not have thought to inquire about and help teams better empathize with customers. Immersion programs can also spark creative problem solving and innovative thinking and are a great way to foster a more customer-centric culture within the organization. Consider a team developing a public transportation app that includes schedules, route planning, and real-time updates. For a week, each team member relies solely on public transport and their app to plan their movement. This direct engagement with the app in an actual real-life context allows the team to identify unanticipated issues with the app and understand which features might be lacking from a user's perspective. There we go. Make sure to follow our top 4 customer experience research tips. And don't forget, always map out a customer journey to have a comprehensive overview of every customer interaction with your product. Hope that helps. Like and subscribe to watch more videos on all things UX related. See you next time.